Welcome to Endless Facts, where we uncover fascinating stories and intriguing insights that you might not know about. In today's episode, we're diving into a Supreme Court case that shaped the rights we have today. Kolender versus Lawson. Have you ever wondered if you're legally required to show ID when asked by police? This landmark case might surprise you. Stay tuned to learn how this decision changed the law and your rights. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future fact-filled episodes. Let's dive right into it. The Supreme Court case Kolender versus Lawson, 1983, which dealt with the constitutionality of a law requiring individuals to provide identification to law enforcement officers. Case summary: in Kolender versus Lawson, the Supreme Court examined a California law that required individuals who were stopped by police under suspicious circumstances to provide credible and reliable identification, which essentially meant carrying and presenting some form of ID. Edward Lawson, a black man who was frequently stopped by police while walking in white neighborhoods, challenged the law as being unconstitutionally vague. Key issues: the central question was whether the law violated the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment by being too vague and thus giving law enforcement excessive discretion, which could lead to arbitrary and discriminatory enforcement. Supreme Court decision: the court ruled 7-2 in favor of Lawson, declaring the law unconstitutional because it was vague. The court held that the law gave police too much discretion in determining what constituted credible and reliable identification, leading to potential abuse, particularly racial profiling and arbitrary stops. Importance: this case is significant because it reinforced the principle that laws must be clear enough for individuals to understand what is required of them. It also emphasized that vague laws can lead to arbitrary enforcement, which disproportionately affects marginalized communities. The ruling in Kolender versus Lawson means that while police officers can stop and question individuals, they cannot constitutionally require someone to provide identification without a clear, justifiable reason. It protects individuals from being compelled to carry or see. If you found this fact interesting, let us know in the comments. Do you think this case has impacted how police handle stops today? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more intriguing legal facts, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you want us to cover more important Supreme Court cases, drop your suggestions in the comments below. How unless there is a lawful basis for the stop. Why it's important: it protects against arbitrary stops and racial profiling. It clarifies limits on police authority when it comes to detaining and questioning individuals. It supports the right to freedom of movement without undue interference from law enforcement. If you found this fact interesting, let us know in the comments. Do you think this case has impacted how police handle stops today? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more intriguing legal facts, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you want us to cover more important Supreme Court cases, drop your suggestions in the comments below.